So ultimately we end up into this kind of a stupidity, as you know, that a person who has this kind of an ego becomes an idiot. And there are many things that you can see clearly how we thought that we were something great and how people befooled us. There's a great writer in Hindi language called as Premchand. I must tell you a story, it's very interesting. We had English in India and we knew how to befool them, I must tell you frankly. And there were two Englishmen going in Banaras street. And mostly in Banaras they have their WCs on top in the open, you see, they sit there. And they had we carry our jar, lota, they call it lota, with the water. Somebody put the lota there and suddenly with some sort of a thing it fell down. And it just fell down. Are you recording me? Hello? No, don't record this. You want to record it. Only for English, all right. But don't give it to anybody else. So the lota, fell down. And fell down, he describes, fell on the feet of those where many Indians go and put their heads. So I said, what that must be? They were the feet of two Englishmen. And then the Englishmen got angry because, you see, according to their country's law, nothing can be hurt. And they took the lota, they said, we are taking you to the police now. This has hurt us so much. So, you see, the man who was upstairs, he came running. Sir, sorry. He said, nothing doing. We are going to take you to the police. It has hurt us. You had no business to keep a lota there, that it fell on our feet. In India, nobody compensates. But if an Englishman comes and says, all right, they'll say, Baba, it's all right, what to do? So there was one fellow who thought of a trick. So he knew English. He said, see, you can take them to police. At the most, police will fine them a little bit. But do you know this lota? He said, what? This lota belonged to Akbar. Akbar used to carry this lota with him. So instead of taking them, if you ask for this lota, will be a good idea. It's an antique piece, you see. Will be good for you. Akbar the Great used to take this. And he told in Hindi language to them that I have befooled them and I have told them this belonged to Akbar, and you just say that we don't want to give this lota, you can take us to police. So they said, now, all right, frame, you see, to say that this is the lota was carried by Akbar. So this is how it is. So first we must have respect for other cultures, other things and other people and other countries and try to see what they have good about them. Otherwise nothing will penetrate into you. And you'll be left high and dry all your life. There's so many nice things in this world. Say you go to Italy, see the beautiful work they do, the furniture they make, things they make. Once they come to England, I don't know what's going to happen to us. We had lots of beautiful art and we had talents, but all finished now. Nobody is having that. And when they come here, what is going to happen? In machinery, when the Germans come here, they'll finish us off. So we have to realize that these outside things and thinking that we are something great is not greatness. Greatness is within yourself, within your heart. All these ideas have to